All right, so UGC ads are crushing it on the market right now, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create one exactly like this. Let me play this to you.
यार हर वाइट स्नीकर एक महीने में पहला हो जाता है। ये 3500 के थी, ये 1500 से कम के थे। सोल सॉलिड है। यार हर वाइट
Okay, there was a small mistake in my script, and hence obviously there was just one word wrong, but who can tell me that didn't feel real, right? So now I'm going to show you how exactly to create one for yourself using 3 AI tool, 1 ChatGPT, 2 Claude, and 3 Higgsfield. So let's get into the tutorial. So first things first, we need a character. For that to happen, we will need to go to ChatGPT. All right. Now, the thing is, you can obviously create one with Higgsfield as well. Higgsfield is a tool; it has its own character creation. But to save credits, because it gives you only 50 credits in a free account, you can go ahead and create it on ChatGPT. So we'll create on ChatGPT. Okay. So the prompt is very simple. I want to create an AI character, give it a full persona, and you know, give me everything about the character, the look, the height, age, weight, location and city of birth, birthmark, hair type, eye color, ear shape, beards, or any facial feature, skin tone. What else is that used, like, body type. Okay. So now I want this. Okay. Then I'll say I want this character to be, let's say this time we'll create an Indian male character, an Indian male character, an average looking Indian male character. Okay. Sort of like a young corporate professional, young IT professional, I would say, and dude who likes gaming and toys, even in adulthood. All right. So basically, now it will start creating the whole character thing about us. It will create like the physical appearance. Okay. Fantastic. We got all of this. Now I'll be like, give me an image with all of his profiles, front view, side view, top down, bottom up, back, it's etc. Like, I want a complete profile so that I can use them in AI content creation. I hit enter. Now it will go ahead and start creating our image, and it will create something like this. Let me show you what I created. In the past, I actually experimented quite a bit, but it created, a female character that looked like this. And after a little bit of experimentation, I thought, you know what, this is better. And then I added like some freckles later on, just to make it look AI. I wanted to make it look unique, so that's it. Okay, so let's wait for this new character to form up, and then we'll proceed with the rest of the details. All right, so our character is now ready. So this is awesome. I have the close angle views as well, and it looks pretty, um, you know, natural to me. I like it. So I'm going to download it and save it. Okay. Now next, we're going to create the, we're going to create like the script of our video. All right. For that, I have created this full document that you can use as a Claude skill. Okay. So you can go to File, Download as .md, and you can go to Claude and basically open sidebar, go to Customize, and go to Skill, and then you can click on plus button, upload a skill, and upload the file that you just downloaded. Okay, I have already done that, so I already have UGC Ad Script Generator. Now the link of the file will be in the descriptions below, so you can go ahead and check it, download it on your own. Okay, so I'm just going to directly go to the script. Now that our AI character is ready, so let us just go to Facebook ad library and find a product to sell, right? So let's go to India, all ads. Maybe I'm going to try, let's try creatine. Let our boy sell some creatine. Okay.
क्रेडिन एक खजाना है.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna go and open this one. Okay. Okay. Way I sell it. Let's just sell this. Not a problem. The one problem though, Higgsfield may not like this product, so they have some weird copyright stuff that comes up. So first, I'm gonna copy the URL of this particular link. Then I'm gonna go to Higgsfield. Okay, I already have all of this open, but I'm gonna go to this. Go to Marketing Studio here, and then it takes you to this place where you can select your product and whatnot. So here in the product, I'll click on plus and just paste the product and hit enter. Just wait and see whether it accepts the product. I have tried with a couple of big brands, they did not accept it. So it had some, I think it has some copyright issues. Okay, it has accepted it. Fantastic, love it. Okay, now what I can do is this whey protein. Let's just copy the image, go to Claude, paste it, and then let's call it impact whey protein, my protein, impact whey isolate, and let us just copy the description. Okay, and whatever you got, like whatever text you want to copy, just do this. Okay, and do they have any other pictures? Okay, now I can call out the skill UGC Ads Script Generator and write, I want you to focus on the purity of the whey and not on the price. Now, so this tool has a habit of focusing on price a lot, but I like to work on the purity. Though it's at 250 GM pack, worth only 2299. Okay, let's hit enter and let the AI cook, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, now mind you, Higgsfield may have never tried generating like a Indian English sort of a content, but we can create a Hindi content. So let's create. Fantastic. Our ad is getting ready. Okay. All right. So let us just see. UGC ad shot on handphone, natural daylight window, no shaky, bedroom location, young Indian guy, gym bag visible in the background. Da da da. Avatar holds the phone close. My friend, I've stopped trusting in way brand. Not fantastic. I want this in English. It has this US accent that it talks with. I don't like it. Okay. Okay. भाई इंडियन वेब पर ट्रस्ट करना बहुत पहले छोड़ दिया था. पिक्स अप दिस पिछली वाली टब ने तो हालत ख़राब कर दी. हर शेक के बाद 3 घंटे ब्लोटिंग पेट में बस गया. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let's copy this. Okay. Let's just still see because in the last video I made some mistake. So logo impact face. हालत ख़राब कर दी थी. हर शेक के बाद 3 घंटे ब्लोटिंग पेट में था बस गैस. No filter, no filters, no fix nonsense. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to this and I'm gonna add the prompt, and I'm gonna also write, also give him a thick Indian accent, just so that that is done. Now we can add our avatar here. So click on plus and you can upload your avatar right here. You can create your avatar and upload your picture. Okay. Actually, I would like to have a clear, let's go to the same. I mean, if you want like a better result, just copy this prompt on the top. It actually gives you like this avatar description. We can go back and here give me this 9:16 image. It's a 9:16 image. Or what's the name of this guy? Of Arjun Malhotra. Wears a plain grey black gym t-shirt, gym bag visible. Okay. Wears sleeveless gym t-shirt. Toned body. Looks like a gym bro. Okay. Cool. Let us just wait, and we can just directly use this image for the rest of the video. It will absolutely work. Well, so you can also upload this directly, and it kind of gets it done. I'm just trying to not leave any stones unturned. We can actually test both. We can try one with this and try another with this. Okay, this is so cool and looks very natural. Let's just download this image. And what you can do is you can just upload that image over here. What? Let me just, okay. Upload one from device. Yeah, there you go. Let's just wait for it to get done. Done. It was pretty instantaneous. We'll name it AJ and create the avatar. Okay. And we're going to select the avatar. So the avatar is, let's just check for eligibility. I don't know what error it threw. Okay. It's taking some time. It did not give me the same error last time. Very interesting. However, by the way, while it's doing that thing, let me also show you some of the cool features Higgsfield has. There is something called as UGC. They have a lot of different styles that you can that you want. Okay, there is this TV spot, product review, virtual try on, wildcard, all of this. Okay, and this is tutorial style, I like UGC. Let's use this style. And then you can also have certain kind of hook if you want, right? So for example, you want the video to start in a certain way. I want to keep it normal, but I definitely want to experiment with this, like camera bump, or doing some sort of stunt sort of thing. Okay, I don't want to try with this now because they consume credits. Setting wise, you can keep what kind of setting you want. Let's say realistic, unrealistic. Well, our setting is already added to our prompt, so we won't need it. Okay, so you can play around with these and make sure that you get the right kind of result. So this 8, so here I can select the aspect ratio and everything. So aspect ratio is 9:16, quality 480p, and I'm going to make sure that this is around 10 seconds. You can also do 1080, but it consumes a lot of credits, so I want to save my credits. So let's just create this one. It will take about 10 minutes, and I'll show the final results. All right, so video generation is ready. Even I haven't seen it yet. I really hope it doesn't, it doesn't like mess it up. Let's see.
भाई इंडियन वेई ब्रांड्स पे ट्रस्ट करना मैंने बहुत पहले छोड़ दिया था। पिछली वाली टब ने तो हालत खराब कर दी थी, फिर इस पे शिफ्ट हुआ, 3 हफ्ते हो गए, जीरो ब्लोटिंग। अगर तो भी घतरा वेई से परेशान है, ये ट्राई कर। भाई इंडियन वेई ब्रांड्स पे
Oh, it's pretty nice. The only mistake I would say is like when he's drinking, it's like shaking his hand. So I don't know if it is there in the prompt somewhere, but okay, put the alt tab down, fix up this. Okay, it also missed out. Okay, it's a 30-second ad. We created a 10-second video, so I think it has skipped a lot of beats. If we would have done it, I think it would have created a better job. But you get the point. It looks
भाई इंडियन
so freaking realistic. Look at this. Look at this. Brands pay creators, a couple of $1,000, 4, 5, 10,000 bucks to create videos like these, right? And you can easily run ads on this with a little bit of a title on it, and it would absolutely crush it in the market. So this is the future of, AI video creation is like, this is the future of video creation. And if you're not using it, then you are definitely lagging behind. So go ahead, try it out, and I think, just let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you like more such kind of videos, like, share, subscribe to this channel so that you get more of these content in your feed from me. Thank you very much.